spotted you in Lagos. You were seen bragging in an Uber cab, and I was cruising in a G-Wagon.
And this is not really from freaking Nigeria, bro. Am I tripping, bro? Is he really from Nigeria right now? This son, bro, best rapper in Nigeria. What the actual? I gotta ask because he's thinking about Lagos and shit. Like, what the hell?
In Lagos,
you know, y'all got me talking like I'm not fucking Jamaican. Bumbo clap, man. I'm over here twanging and shit. I'm like, let's go.
You was
reaction.
Boom! What's the ready to Mr. Boy Terrible as aka the reaction boss, and we're back in effect with another video for you guys. Now, I've seen y'all been spamming this song for a minute. You feel me? The song is called Best Rapper in Nigeria, and I think on the title is Best Rapper in Nigeria 5 years ago. You feel me? I wasn't really iffy to react to the song because I'm like rap, but guess what? Enough of y'all been spamming, so I guess I'm gonna give it to y'all. And also see us spamming another song from another artist name. It's called some kind of Cartel, and then some John thing, Jin. You know what? I see the comments. I'm gonna get to them. Trust me. I'm giving another video late to this. Is my latest reaction. I'm gonna be posting for you guys. I'm sorry, I was just a little busy today, but subscribe. Keep subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate subscribing to the channel. Like the video so the video recommends to more people so it can grow even bigger. As I said, remember we're trying to get to 100k subscribers, and when I do hit 100k subscribers, y'all, guess where you're taking a trip to? You don't know the chap right. Let me tell you. We're with 100k subscribers, y'all. We're getting a trip. We're getting on that plane. I'm gonna take that 12-hour flight. All right, let's start it. Now, let's see what's going on for this song. It's been amazing since some rap music. Let's get to it. Yeah, is it in English? Let's go.
Hey, I'm the best rapper in Nigeria right now. I am Nigerian right now.
Are you Nigerian, bro? You got an accent. Hold on. Let's go.
And I'm the best rapper. Motif, what's up?
Guess you the sacrificial lamb. Funny how you trying to get even. They already crowned the king. You should wait for the next season. Your family's about to be left grieving. You're 40 years old, but looking like you're still breastfeeding. You a snitch in disguise. Me, I'm.
Is this a diss song? The man say you're a sacrifice. What? How did he start out?
They already crowned the king. You should wait for the next season. Your family's about to be left grieving. You're 40 years old, but looking like you're still breastfeeding. You a snitch in disguise. Me, I'm happy I'm a G. I can see it in your eyes. You to cash you wanna be. Lil Pump, Pussy Gang. You a clown to say the least. Nigeria had to send a lesbian to slay your beast. They told me not to diss you cause.
Hold on. No, I want to react to the clash. Like, who is the other artist? Like, what's going? Hold on. Mr. Jones? Hold on.
Nobody know you in your city. Last time you trended, you was in Abuja flashing titties. You a bitch-made nigga, emotional. Learn a lesson. You the 05 Usher when you.
The nigga said the last time you trending, you was flashing titties. Is that where? In where?
Titties. You a. Cause nobody know you in your city. Last time you trended, you was in Abuja flashing titties. You
a strip club or a bar? What?
Rich made nigga, emotional. Learn a lesson. You the 05 Usher when you was dropping confessions. I spotted you in Lagos. You was seen bragging in an Uber cab, and I was cruising in a G-Wagon. And
this is not really from freaking Nigeria, bro. Am I tripping, bro? Is he really from Nigeria right now? This son, bro, best rapper in Nigeria. What the actual? I gotta ask because he's thinking about Lagos and shit. Like, what the hell?
In Lagos,
you know, y'all got me talking like I'm not fucking Jamaican. Bumbo clap, man. I'm over here twanging and shit. I'm like, let's go.
You were seen bragging in an Uber cab, and I was cruising in a G-Wagon, and I couldn't help but pity you. I'd leave it in the past, but it's unfortunate your own people treating you like trash. This how I murder handicapped clones. Ain't no shame being a tranny, Black Bones. I don't give a fuck.
Wait, Black Bones, is that his name? Is that his name? Hold on.
Clones.
Ain't no what?
People treating you like trash.
Okay.
This how I murder handicapped clones. Ain't no shame being a tranny, Black Bones.
Ain't no shame being a tranny, Black Bones. This was 5 years ago, and you're getting this 5 years ago, and you was being called a tranny. This song must have been a masterpiece. Let's go.
I don't give a fuck, I'm a body black bones. Don't ever think you
Yeah.
can fuck with Khaligraph Jones. You ain't no
Khaligraph
lyricist,
Jones.
nigga.
Oh my gosh, this man could make a whole song with just his name. Say everybody say Khaligraph Jones. Eh? But hold on. So I get it now. The person this is called Khaligraph Jones. Okay, we get it.
Black bones, don't ever think you can fuck with Khaligraph Jones. You ain't no lyricist, nigga, your shit is a joke. You wanted fire, now you trying to get rid of the smoke. Best rapper in Africa, I'm considered the GOAT. Next time, pay your lazy fans and get them to vote. Was in your hood doing the research and getting mad answers. They never heard of Black Bones, they've only heard of Black Panther. Bam, now tell me how you think you in my level, clown.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I was reacting to one of your songs. Which one was it? Let's see if I can go on my channel if I can find it for you guys. I think it was I think it was the Empish. I can't pronounce the freaking name of the song. The song was have something to do with cook, basically. We was singing about a cook. Anyways, I was like, why the start of this song sounds like a song from Straight Outta Black Panther. Well, let's go.
Bones, they've only heard of Black Panther. Bam, now tell me how you think you in my level, clown. If I was you, I would retire and settle down. Why you looking stressed, my amigo? The purpose for this dish is to help you boost your ego. So your interview and how you claim to be the next DeVito. Then I came and I beat you right in.
Black Bones. I want to see who the fuck this person is. Hold on, let's go right here and let's look up BLACKBONS. They go show me Black Bones. Watch. Black Bones can refer to no. Oh, it's spelled Black Bones. Okay. So this is his channel. 2023, 2022. Oh. Like Ice Spice. Hold on, Black Bones. Hey,
As you can tell.
Let's finish this first. Stop this fucker. We don't want to see no blood clot. Let's finish this first, cause you know we like to see the females in the videos already. Y'all know me, you know. Y'all know me, you know. Y'all come in the song. Y'all know I like to hear them. Well, let's go.
In front of your people. Now you wearing wedding dresses. Damn, what a shame. Nigerian rappers used to be the hardest in the game, but along the way it changed, and then you started chasing fame. Fix your lives up before you think of mentioning my name.
Okay, pause right there. I'm not too hip on rap. As I say, y'all don't see me react to rap music. This is probably one of the only time you're gonna see me really react to a rap song. And it's because it's still from my Nigeria. You feel me? I'm ventured off in Africa now. You get me? But still, I'm not too hip on the rap game. Was Nigeria was top of the rap game once? I don't know. Let me know below in the comment section. Let's go.
Mode 9 and MI, those will be the best. Vector the Viper, he got my respect. Ice Prince Zamani, he's the coldest in the West. The rest are doing Afro beats, motherfucker. What a mess. It's not that I'm hating, but it's a fact. We see all the new dance moves, but who's doing the rap? At least YC's trapping and putting y'all in the map. But 90% of you new rapping niggas sound whack. Now back to Black Bones, nigga, you a done chapter. I'm taking the top.
Does this everybody else also for not doing rap music? And because they do the Afro beats, do you just don't play Afro beats? Like, am I reaching? Or is that what I'm getting from the song?
Top 5 and the rest come after. I'm a pour gasoline so I can make you burn faster. You a comedian, Edie Coco slush turned rapper.
Somebody tell Khaligraph that I was just joking. I'm his Nigerian brother, I didn't mean to provoke him.
So now you wanna reach out, trying to ring my
You can't even come on, Black Bones. I hope that was not you trying to have a peace treaty, bro. I hope that was not you.
This is beef, Slim Shady vs Machine Gun Kelly. I was in Sound City making out with some of your hoes. You was in Sound City making out with some of your bros. And I almost approached you, but for real I was confused, cause y'all look like Bow Wow in 2002. A bunch of skinny little dudes trying to mess with a G. Even John Cena couldn't wrestle with me. OG motherfucker rapping the East. I got conditions just in case you trying to settle this beef. I wanna be a citizen in Nigeria, fuck a visa. A mansion in the island and about 10 divas. A Bentley and a Porsche since I'm coming for the crown. Cause I'm the best Kenyan Nigerian rapper in town. So die nigga cause your casket closed. You fraud ass nigga, man, you cats exposed.
I give it to him. He cool. He pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta give him a like for that shit. Khaligraph Jones. Love from India. Became your fan. Man, India. Tune. Okay. From Canada. Okay. Damn, bruh. Watching this from Lagos, Nigeria, and I can confirm that he is the best rapper here. That's crazy. In South Africa, we all call Khaligraph the best rapper in Africa. Wow. I'm Nigerian, but I can even know who Blackbone. Oh, he said I don't even know who Blackbone is. Hey, no cap, bruh. Yeah. As I didn't know. Obviously, I'm just gonna get introduced to the music. You feel me? The viewers wasn't recommending Blackbone, so I made a reaction. Should I react to that song? Should I react to this song from him, by the way? Like Ice Spice, it got what? You got 3 million views? Like, I don't know. Like, I'll check it out if you want me to, but I ain't gonna make it such a long video. Plus, I'm already late with today's reaction, and I'm just gonna do a video right now and have it scheduled to post tomorrow. So I'll see you on another video. Peace.